In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Audible app. So if your app is not functioning or it keeps on crashing, or maybe it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, in the first method to fix Audible app, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do this, I need to go ahead and go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps depending on your Android smartphone. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Identify your app and tap on it, and you should see app info pages here. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app and long press on it, and you should see app info. At this point, now you can see we are on the same app info page. We want first to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. And when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose clear cache. Now, if you tap on it and okay, now you can see the cache data has been wiped out. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have solved any issue with your app. However, should this not solve your problem, again, come back to this app info page, and this time around, tap on clear data and choose clear all data and okay. Now, you'll have to log in afresh for you to be able to use your app. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, should you still find any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and find out if you have the latest version of this app. So for this, I'll go to Play Store and then search for my app, and here it is. Then find out if you have an update. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you might be using an outdated version of Audible audio entertainment app. Go ahead and update it to the latest version. But should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and install the app and then install it afresh. This will remove any issues related to maybe bugs, and then install a fresh new Audible app that will have no issue. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Audible app by using any of these 4 methods. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.